Do you love snowmen? Well, stay tuned because I have a really cool project for you. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you these really cool snowman paper clocks that I made. I'm going to pop it up right here. Aren't they cute? I got a request off of my blog from somebody who made my turkey paper clock that I posted right around Thanksgiving time. If you haven't seen that video, I will post right up here. It was really cute. Everybody liked it. And I got an email asking if I had any winter themed or any snowman themed clocks or designs. I didn't at the time, and I was kind of busy with Christmas time, so I told her, hi Denise, I told her that I would make one in January. So here we are. I have designed everything, and I'm ready to share it with everybody. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we'll get started making it. Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We are going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form and you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. We're going to type in the password and hit Enter. And you are brought to the file library with all of my files. You're going to want to find the Snowman Clock file. Click on that hyperlink, download it to your computer, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Alright, so we are in a new canvas here in Design Space. We're going to head to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Hit Open. And then save, highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it'll bring it into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. And you can see everything has been set for you. You don't have to worry about changing anything to a draw line. You don't have to change the score line. Everything's set. So just go ahead and click Make It. And here we'll see all of the different mats. We got 2 white mats, the black layer, carrot layer, brown layer, green, red. You can go ahead and click continue and then make your material selections. Now for this project, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, all of our different cardstock, our scoring wheel or scoring stylus, CRICUT pen, I'm choosing black, a CRICUT scraper, some art glitter glue, and adhesive. You don't have to use both, but it's my personal preference, and then a glue gun. So I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out, and I will see you guys when I have everything done. Alright, we have everything cut out, so I'm going to flip over the green tree layer, add some adhesive, that looks good. And then we're going to place this on top of the white tree layer. This will give us the effect of snow on the pine trees. Okay, we can set that to the side. Oh, it looks like I have a little bit of spots that aren't sticking. There we go. Okay. Now, let's start to fold up the stand. Fold all of the folds along the score lines. Alright, and now I'm going to take the scraper and just press the folds just to make sure that we have nice crisp fold lines. Alright, now I'm going to take my adhesive and run a line of adhesive on both of the tabs that are on the top part of the stand. There we go. And then I'm going to just attach the tabs to the other side wall, creating the top of the box. Alright, now I'm going to add adhesive to the side piece here, or the side wall, to finish off these little caps. Fold in those tabs and then bring that side up. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to grab the bridge piece and fold along the score lines. Take my adhesive and apply some adhesive to the tops of both tabs. Whoops. Then we're going to take the bridge and then just apply it underneath the top part of the stand, pressing both of the tabs. You're going to line the edge of the tab with the edge of the top of the stand. If this part is a little too difficult, in my previous video with the turkey clock, I did do this part before I folded up the box. It could be a little bit easier if you have big old chubby hands like I do. Alright, just like that. Set that to the side. Now let's build our snowman. I know, Frozen is going through your head right now. Gonna put the trim on the top hat really quick. Alright, now let's build the rest of the body layer, and then we can add the different embellishments. Okay, so we're going to take the brown layer with the arms and add some adhesive to where the snowman's face is going to be. Now place the black circle lining up all the edges on top of the brown layer. There we go. Now take some glue, or you can use adhesive here, but the art glitter glue is always best for smaller areas. Apply glue to the back portion of the white layer. And now just place that on top of the brown layer and the black layer, making sure that you line up all the edges. Give it a good press with your hand. There we go. And now we can just add the nose and the scarf and then the hat to finish off our little snowman. And he's all done. Isn't he cute? set him to the side so he can dry. Now let's do the three-dimensional part of our clock. So we're going to take the wrap. Oops, I forgot to put the pin in my art glitter glue there. The wrap is the side piece for the clock insert area. You want to press the folds of all the tabs. In the past I have used the scraper to press these down, but I'm not going to do that here. It's not 100% necessary for this part. You just want to make sure that you have pressed the fold. Alright, now I'm going to add glue to each part of the tabs. And then I'm going to apply the glued section of the tabs onto the back. That's that big white circle. I'm going to just follow in a circle, follow along the edge, all the way around. See? I'm going to press with my finger too to make sure that it adheres well. Alright, now we're going to take some glue and apply that to the tabs that are remaining to glue down the snowman onto the base. If you notice, my wrap doesn't go all the way around, it actually points down on the bottom. You actually want that to catch some of the hot glue that you're going to apply here in just a second. Always put that needle back in the tip for the art glitter glue. It dries very quickly. Okay, so line up the edges of the snowman front. Give it a light press. You don't want to push too hard. And then you can take your thumb and your forefinger and go along the inside, just making sure that all the tabs have adhered to the places that they're supposed to adhere to. Making sure that everything lays flat and nice. Alright, that looks good. Set that to the side. We're going to finish up the base here now. So we're going to take some adhesive and apply it to the bottom part of the trees. You do want to put a decent amount of adhesive. And then I'm going to run a little bit on the back part of the stand too. Okay, so we flipped the base over. The words are on the bottom. And then we're going to flip the tree over, or trees, excuse me. And now I'm just lining the bottom of the stand with the bottom of the trees just to make sure that it is nice and flat. Give it a good press. There we go. It's going to topple over, but don't worry, because once you put the snowman and the clock in, everything's going to sit nice and flat. Alright, I'm going to put a little adhesive there, and then we're going to put hot glue there on the bridge. And we'll put a little hot glue right behind where the snowman's gonna sit too. I'm gonna put a nice liberal amount of glue for it to sit in. And then just line everything up and plop the little guy down. Give everything a nice press to make sure that it adheres right. Alright, he is all done. Let me grab the clock face really quick. Alright, so I've put the battery in the back of the clock face, and I've taken off the little rubber gasket or sleeve or whatever you call it, and then carefully just insert it into the snowman, making sure that it is sitting right. And there you go. Get that out of the way. Everything sits nice and flat. He doesn't wobble at all, doesn't topple forward. Give that a little push. There we go. He is all ready to display. So cute. What did you think? Aren't they cute? I love snowmen. They are just so cute. They have so much personality. I really hope that you liked it, and you do make it, because it's perfect for winter time, or you can even use it during Christmas time. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you get notified every time that I come up with a new video. Make sure that you head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials there, paper crafts, cards, all kinds of good stuff, so make sure that you check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will catch you all later. Bye.